Hello everyone, welcome back to Useful How-To Videos. I'm Mike Sands, your guide to solving tech-related issues. If you want to find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful content. And today, we will be diving into the world of Power Apps, which we'll see is a great tool from Microsoft that allows you to create custom apps without needing to code. So one common question that I get is, how do I make fields mandatory in Power Apps? So when I'm creating a Power App and I'm creating a fields for the user to fill out, how do I make those fields mandatory? Well, I'm going to show you how I do that, just that, and you'll see how simple it is. So why don't we start by opening up the Power App and selecting the app that you want to modify. It just so happens that on the screen now is one of the apps that I have been modifying, and I'll be showing as an example how to make the fields mandatory. So to make the fields mandatory now, I'm going to go into so in this tab is basically the screen where we allow the user to enter in useful information. So to make the fields mandatory, what you're going to do is you're going to select, you're going to select the field here. And on the right hand side, we're going to go to Advanced. Usually there's an unlock button, so maybe it's not selected properly. Maybe we can choose another field. There you go. So we see for this field here, this unlock button. So first thing you want to do is you want to hit unlock. And then in the search for a property, the quickest way we can get to it is by typing required. So if we type required, or maybe it's without the D, I'm sorry. So require. And then we see here, so it's actually with the D, okay? Required in the search field here. And then in this required box, we see false. What you want to do is you want to change that from false to true. Once we do that, we look at this field now, we should see that there's actually an asterisk next to it. So if I resize it, you'll see that there's an asterisk next to it now, prompting the user that this field is now going to be mandatory or required to fill in. Okay? If I do another example, I select another field at random. Why don't we select the first field here? Notice that there's not a lock button here. Maybe it's already a lock. So I'm going to type required. Yep, so maybe it was already at lock, that field. So I'm going to change it from false to true. Once I do that now, you'll see that the field is now has an asterisk next to it, prompting the user that it's going to be required. Okay? And that's it. You've now learned how to make fields mandatory in Power Apps. Remember that this is a powerful feature that can help ensure your app users don't miss any important fields. Please, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and or subscribe for more how-to videos just like this one. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or there's a specific topic you'd like me to cover in a future video. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next one.